Hi guys, welcome back to In the Kitchen. My name is Dee and today we're making Jamaican jerk sauce. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you try it. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make Jamaican jerk sauce and these are all the things that I use. If you're Jamaican or you may know a Jamaican, they may tell you or they may have different seasoning that they use, which is our very own home seasoning that we're used to, which is way cheaper and it has salt. But I just opt for Miss Dash salt-free seasoning because I was trying to make it healthier, salt-free, because even though this is salt free, when you add it to whatever you're gonna put it on, if you're gonna jerk chicken, because I add this sauce to anything I want, but I always use it to jerk chicken. So if you're gonna jerk chicken and you add this to it, it will not taste fresh, and you probably will still add a little salt if you choose to. But if you're watching your salt intake, then you don't need to add salt because this taste you won't need salt. First, this is the blending cup. It's just my regular Ninja blending cup, that smoothie cup that came with the Ninja set. And I add the green pepper, and that's just half a green pepper, half a bell pepper with one habanero. That's one medium chopped onion. And I chop them kind of big because they're going to be blended, so that you don't have to sit down and mince them because they're going to be chopped in the blender. Then I add 4 stalks of escallion, or you may say green onion. Then I add 5 pegs of garlic and about 24 pimento seeds. And I just combine all of that in the blender. And this is some Jamaican escovitch sauce. My mom made this the last time I went there, but I know how to make this and I can make it. It's just warm vinegar and you add like pepper, garlic, some carrots, some green pepper. You just add it raw to the warm vinegar and just leave it. Wait until it cools, then you cover it down in a bottle and leave it to sit for however long you want, year, 2 years, it won't spoil. And I'm just adding some of the ingredients that was in it, and then I added a little water. Then I went ahead and add my seasonings to it, and that one I think it was a chicken seasoning. I didn't look at I couldn't see the name, but that one is the garlic herb, and this one is the table blend, and that one is the onion or herb, and then some garlic powder, fresh garlic powder with no salt, just regular garlic powder, no salt. And then I added a little of that Creole season. That's the only one that have a little salt. That does have a little salt in it. It's not too bad, but I kind of use, that's the only season that I use with salt. But I don't put it in everything, mainly like soup. And then I'm sure to add some barbecue sauce, and I usually use the sweet honey barbecue sauce, just a little. You'll see what I added to it. You can use a little tomato sauce if you want, a little tomato ketchup sauce if you want, but I didn't do that. I prefer barbecue sauce. And then I just put it on my Ninja and I just blend. I blend until it's smooth. So if you feel like you want your jerk with like little chunks of like the onions and so on, you just blend it for less time. But this I blended for a minute and it was nice and smooth. If you want to blend it more, if you want it more watery, you can blend it more, but this was just perfect. Can you see? And I lost the footage that show me throwing it out, but this is a good taste. This is an authentic Jamaican jerk sauce, and try it and let me know.